Happy New Year, everyone. We have a Priceline trade, 85 by 50 pennies. Priceline here, though, on that bid and ask. That's this one right here. It's got to get above 470 because it's a Friday, yearly Friday, weekly expiration. It's 12:04. Less than an hour to the countdown to the closing price action bell of calendar 2011. And it's been a very good year once again. And the reason why is because we know how to make markets. We enjoy that. So once again, welcome to 2012 MMTs. Welcome to that price line. We have to close above the 475 handle once again, and we'll update this. What do you see in the system that says that this does want to break up? From what I'm seeing, if mine is right, it's trying to put a bottom in. So can you confirm this, sir?
74 resistance.
They're trying to break through where now?
469.74. There's a seller there. They can't seem to get it above that. It's kind of been a triple top on a 3-minute chart, but the bids are lining up. You got 68 by 75. 75's printed.
Right.
So they're really working it to get it. They got it above the 10-period moving average on a 3.
Right here.
And so, what we're looking for is a blast off bar above 470, the strike. And that next resistance level is 470.13.
Yeah, 470 call, and we're right here printing at 469.74. And we bought it wholesale at the bottoms in here. Now we want to sell it retail into the closing calendar yearly closing bell. Is that correct, Mr. Plain? And we know that by what you're saying, if you bounce off of that bottom, which you're trying to do right now, then you would go higher in value into the closing bell. And that's the challenges that you talk about right here in the chart. Is that correct?
Yep, there we go.
Whoa.
We just got above the strike.
You did? 475? Yep. A 470 call, right? All right. So put these out to sell, let's say at... whoa, you're at a 13 IR, so yes, you do got that breakout bar right here, but you got to keep going now. And that's that call, that's that 470 call right there. And here you can see Priceline, it's printing 470 in the time and sells, right where my pointer is. 75s went off, 18 pennies just went off, 470. 470 call, buying at the bottom, going into the calendar yearly closing bell. It is now 12:07 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12:30, 2011 is coming to a closing bell. Yes, it is. Very important that people understand how to offer out when taking these profits, right, Brian Plain? There's
Don't
that
sell your
closing
premium
bell.
short.
Look at that. You got to get above 25. You're at that half delta. You got to go below 0.50. If you go below 0.50, you'll have another big candle that would walk that up. And if that was to happen in this breakout process, that means that that 470 call that was $6.50 on the close, $6 on the high, got marked it down. We bought it at the low. We're making money on it here and now, are we not? And we got a triple diamond here and now in this live market maker bid and ask price. Very important that we understand that and the power in the move. And how do I make this side of the market right here pay me my higher dollar price for my profits? Because that's what we do right here. And it's fluctuating right there. Talk about how you got out here on the execution, sir. You got in at what price?
60 out at 90.
That's okay. So you got hit over here on the bid, and you had them somebody pay 5 contracts at 90 cents here at 90 cents. So you got in at 60 cents and got out at 90 cents. Someone paid you, and that's how you work that bid and ask on Priceline, printing right at the strike price. Is that true?
That's exactly right. And the bid was 50 cents, so I was more than happy to get out on the ask and then buy back on the bid.
Okay. Are you going to put another limit order out there at 35 cents and do it all over again between
That's
now?
actually where I have it already.
All right, because we're going into the closing bell, sir. It's been a great and a pleasurable 2011 because it has. And it's been a wonderful bid and ask. Just like we did. Buy the bid and get them to buy and then sell the ask. And we just did it right there. That's good money. $180, do that 4 or 5 times uh, an hour because you can. Learn how to buy the bid and get out on the ask.